Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepared carrot and cucumber pickle for shawarma. So in the shawarma shops, what I really like apart from shawarma is this carrot and cucumber pickle along with the chili. So it's very nice and tasty. Here I've prepped up and reserved all the ingredients required for this recipe. So here you can see the carrot is peeled, washed, and I've chopped it into sticks. So in the same manner I've chopped the cucumber also. I removed the seeds from the cucumber, but I left the skin on. And we need chilies. We would require salt, sugar, a little bit of fennel, pepper, water and vinegar for this recipe. Here I have heated a small saucepan and I'll be adding my water and I'll bring it to a rapid boil. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now once I've added the water, I've added the salt, sugar, peppercorns and fennel seeds in the water, and I'll bring this to a rapid boil. The sugar and salt has to dissolve. So bring this to a rapid boil and remove it from the flame. Now in a glass jar, what I'll do, I'll add all the veggies. I'm going to layer it basically. This is how I did it, but you don't have to do it. You just have to mix all your veggies and add it to a glass jar or in a pickle jar. Use a ceramic or a glass jar for this recipe. Now once you've added all your veggies to the glass jar, remove the bran or that solution that we prepared from the stove. Allow it to cool down completely, and then we'll be adding vinegar to this. So the detailed recipe is posted in the description box below this video, friends, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe, friends. I am stressing on this is because many people have asked me for the recipe and they keep forgetting that I do have a blog. Now here you can see I measured and added vinegar. We'll stir the bran or the solution well, and now we'll add this pickle juice to my veggies, and we will tightly seal this and store this in the fridge for up to 2 days, and your pickles will be ready. That's how simple this pickle is. It's so tasty. You can serve it with shawarmas or without shawarmas. You can eat it as it is. It's that tasty. This is a must-have condiment for shawarmas, friends. So in my upcoming videos, I'm going to be posting different shawarma recipes. So try this pickle and try my shawarma recipes. You'll really enjoy this. Try it, friends, and post your comments. This pairs very well with even grilled chicken. I did post a detailed grilled chicken recipe also. I will link my shawarma recipe playlist in the description box below this video or in the icon above this video. My pickle is ready after 2 days. I have served it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.